Color gamut. It is the realm of color that a device or medium can faithfully reproduce. It's the science behind how accurately colors are represented in various contexts, from digital displays to print. Understanding color gamut is essential for designers as it ensures that their creative work appears as intended across different mediums, offering a consistent and true-to-life visual experience. If you are interested in knowing about more such design terms, check out my video on 101 design terms that every graphic designer should know. It's your key to unlocking innovation, refining project scopes, and enhancing user experiences. Whether you are exploring design trends, delving into advanced brand strategies, or navigating the intricacies of UI UX, remember that knowledge is your greatest asset. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hasta la vista, Chiro!